So we've all heard of remarketing when it comes to Facebook ads or even emailing, things like that, re-engaging with your existing customers. I'll show you a way we can actually do it with Google search ads. It's not very well known, not very widely utilized, but I'll show you how we do it. So here we are at the overview screen. We are going to go into Tools with the new interface, Shared Library, and Audience Manager. From here, Data Sources. If you have the Google Ads tag correctly implemented, you should start to get some hits coming through. This one's kind of brand new, so super fresh. And then if I go, you see we've got it there. If I go back to your data segments, you can actually create an audience based on website visitors, just as normal. You'd go ahead and set that website visitors, in this case, for the last 30 days. So I've got this demo one here, North County, that I've created. Let's say that North County is defined as any website visitor in the last 30 days. I can click Add To, simply add that directly to my dentist campaign. Here I have two options. Do I go targeting or observation? It defines the difference here on the right-hand side. Targeting basically is very narrow. Observation keeps it really wide. So targeting will make sure the ads only go to those people in that audience, which will be very, very few. In fact, I probably won't spend it all. Observation will just mean that we're getting numbers and data on how that particular audience has performed. So we're going to go with observation, add audience segments, and then we're going to go back and check out that campaign. So here I am in the campaign. We've got the ad group in front of me. From here, I'm actually going to go here on the left-hand side, audiences, and I'm going to actually just view this table. You can see there it is. There's what I've added in. Now you can notice just here, if I just don't touch it, just leave it as is, it's not actually a retargeting campaign because it's still going out to everyone who's going to type in, let's say in this case, dentist or dentist in my area. But if I add a bid adjustment and say 10%, for example, notice this example, a $10 bid will become $11. So this is how we make ourselves more competitive. 20% is $12, 30% is $13. Just as likely, I can actually decrease it. I can make us less competitive for a certain audience. You can see how you can start to get creative with this. So in this case, let's say I made us 10% more competitive for our retargeting audience. That's the sort of thing you might actually do, 10 to 30 or 40%. This means that anyone who's visited our website in the last 30 days is now going to type in dentist in my area. So they've already done some research, they've visited our website, but we know that they already know us. That's a lower hanging fruit for us. So we're willing to spend 10% more in order to appear for that person higher up. So it's offering Google a little bit more money with that signal.